Hey everyone, welcome to Homes for Beginners, where I show you how to do repairs around the house yourself. In this video here I'll be showing you a couple different ways on how to draw an arch layout on a piece of wood. For this I'm required to do a large arch which comes out from the back of the piece of wood. This arch will extend out to the edge so its full depth is maintained. This is a laminated pine panel, 3/4 of an inch thick, 48 inches wide, and 20 inches in depth. This is being used as a wall-mounted table in the kitchen. There are other methods out there which involve putting nails into the wood, however I would like to avoid putting any holes in this panel. First was making reference points, both of the sides as to where I want the arch to start, and then the center of the panel. For the first method, I can use something bendable. For this I do have a large piece of spring steel. This can be traced out. Make sure whatever you're using is evenly bent, but it may be hard to work with this if you don't have an extra pair of helping hands, which is why I prefer my second method instead. For the second method, I fully marked out the center of the panel to make an alignment reference on the opposite side for the arch. Then a piece of wood is used to put against the panel, something which is long enough where I can adjust the distance and radius of my arch. That wood is then held perpendicular to the edge of the wood. A large square is used for this. A screw with a string is fastened to the wood. Try to use a string which doesn't have much stretch. A loop is made on the opposite end, and this is where a pencil will be placed. The arch is then traced out. A clamp is also used to help stabilize that piece of wood on the floor so there's minimal movement. Reference marks can be made once that arch is drawn out on both the left and right sides to ensure it's symmetrical. After that, the arch is then rough cut using a jigsaw and then finished up using a belt sander. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home DIY videos. Thank you for watching.